Hi everybody, happy February. Welcome back to our third Generation STEAM video. My name is Marie and I'm a volunteer here at Generation STEAM, and we're so excited to be putting out a new video for you guys twice every month. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you want to see more content like this. Today, we'll be learning about and doing an experiment on a super cool topic, buoyancy, which is basically an object's ability to float in water or air. If you haven't already, be sure to watch our last episode on density because it'll help you understand buoyancy better. In this video, you'll learn some cool facts about buoyancy, and you'll have the chance to test buoyancy out yourself by doing a fun activity by building your own boat at home. We hope you have fun with this activity.
Hi, I'm Sunny, and today I'll be presenting the fun facts. Fun fact number 1. Life jackets use buoyancy to keep us afloat. The life jacket traps air when the jacket is covered in water, which means the trapped air weighs much less than the water it displaces. So, the life jacket floats and its buoyancy is strong enough to support your weight too. Fun fact number 2. Have you noticed that when you throw a rock into a lake or pond, the rock sinks? This is because the rock is not buoyant.
To demonstrate the concept of buoyancy, you need a tub of water, some pennies, and foil. And here we use two identically sized pieces of foil. These are 8-inch squares, and one is in the shape of a boat. So first we're going to take 15 pennies and put them on the flat sheet of foil, and we're going to crumple them inside. And now we're going to take that foil and put it in the water. And as you can see, it all sank. So now we've put the boat into the water, and we're going to drop pennies in one at a time and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So notice how this boat has 15 pennies right now, and the one that sank also had 15, but this one is still floating. We're going to keep adding pennies. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh, there it goes. So this boat sank with 49 pennies, while the other piece of foil, which was the same size, same amount of foil, it sank with only 15 pennies.
Now that we've done the experiment, let's go and talk about the science behind what buoyancy is. So what is buoyancy? Buoyancy is the ability for something to float on water or other liquids due to an upward force. Think about the many instances of buoyancy in our lives. The floaties in the swimming pools floats, while the plastic ring toys we throw into the water sinks. Remember how we talked about density in the last video? Well, the more dense and heavy an object is, it will sink. The lighter and less dense the object is, it will float. This is because the weight of the object is too heavy for the water's upward force to hold. Think about it another way. Rubber ducky has some weight pushing down on the hand, and the hand is like the water's force pushing to keep the object floating. You might want to ask why in our experiment the same amount of pennies in both boats resulted in one of the boats sinking and another boat to float. This is because the crumpled up boat on the right has less surface area and the boat on the left has greater surface area. The greater the surface area, the more force can be applied to keep it more buoyant.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching our video on buoyancy. We hope to see you again in 2 weeks for our next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!